Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Yazio and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.